Today, I want to share some insights into the fascinating world of specialized stem cells and their crucial role in our body's regeneration processes and anti-aging efforts. Specialized stem cells are foundational to the body's self-repair mechanisms. They not only help maintain tissue vitality but also hold significant promise in the field of anti-aging. Their ability to renew themselves and differentiate into various types of cells offers hope for rejuvenation for many people. Let's take a closer look at how these specialized stem cells can contribute to extending lifespan and combating the aging process. Specialized stem cells have a unique ability. They can transform into different types of cells as needed. The stem cells in our bodies can be classified into various groups, each responsible for regenerating specific organs or tissues. For instance, adipose-derived stem cells and bone marrow stem cells can change into different cell types when activated. These specialized stem cells are found in organs such as the brain, skin, bones, bone marrow, and heart, where they play a vital role in repairing damaged tissues and maintaining the biological functions of these organs. In terms of body recovery, specialized stem cells have the remarkable ability to divide and differentiate, allowing them to replace cells that have been damaged or degenerated over time. When the body is subjected to injury or aging factors, these stem cells spring into action, dividing and regenerating to assist in the healing of affected organs. This mechanism is essential for maintaining and restoring our health. In younger individuals, this regenerative process operates more effectively, promoting rapid recovery. However, over time, the capabilities of stem cells decline, slowing down recovery and making aging signs more pronounced. If we can maintain or activate the regeneration process of specialized stem cells, we may be able to extend our health and even slow down the aging process. Among the most important types of specialized stem cells for health are bone marrow stem cells, adipose-derived stem cells, and skin stem cells. Bone marrow stem cells are crucial as they can differentiate into various cell types, including blood cells, bone cells, and fat cells. They are responsible for producing new blood cells, maintaining the immune system, and participating in the healing process of bone injuries. Their ability to divide and flexibly transform allows the body to cope with blood and bone disorders while aiding in wound healing. Adipose-derived stem cells can differentiate into skin cells, muscle cells, and even nerve cells. They also help regulate metabolism and have the potential to regenerate damaged skin and muscle tissues. This capability holds significant promise in slowing the aging process of the skin and improving tissue elasticity, helping to maintain a youthful appearance. Skin stem cells are responsible for regenerating and healing damaged epidermal layers. When injured or aging occurs, these skin stem cells renew themselves, creating new skin cells and maintaining the skin's elasticity and moisture. This ability plays a vital role in slowing down aging signs such as wrinkles, pigmentation, and dryness. Today, advancements in technology and medicine have made it possible to harness and apply specialized stem cells in anti-aging efforts. Techniques involving stem cells not only help restore and regenerate cells but also open doors to improving the aging conditions of the entire body. Some common methods include stem cell injections for skin rejuvenation. Injecting stem cells into the skin stimulates the regeneration of new skin cells, improving elasticity and reducing signs of aging such as wrinkles and pigmentation. Stem cell grafting for bone and cartilage repair. In cases of osteoporosis or cartilage damage, Stem cells can be grafted to regenerate and restore bone and cartilage tissues, improving joint health and preventing degeneration. Stem cell therapy for cardiovascular improvement. Specialized stem cells can also be utilized in treating cardiovascular diseases by regenerating damaged heart tissue, improving blood circulation, and reducing the risk of heart attacks. To maintain and activate specialized stem cells, a comprehensive body care regimen is essential. This includes proper nutrition. A diet rich in necessary nutrients helps maintain stem cell function. Antioxidants like vitamin C and E, along with omega-3 fatty acids, protect and stimulate stem cells. Regular exercise not only boosts overall health but also encourages stem cell production and the regeneration of damaged tissues, supporting recovery and rejuvenation. Additionally, managing stress is vital, as chronic stress can damage cells and reduce stem cell recovery capabilities. Practices like meditation, yoga, and relaxation techniques can help protect stem cells and enhance the body's regeneration ability. Finally, modern medical technologies continue to evolve, making stem cell treatments more effective. Utilizing advanced technologies in medicine optimizes recovery and rejuvenation processes, offering numerous benefits in anti-aging. In conclusion, specialized stem cells are one of the most critical factors in our body's self-renewal and anti-aging processes. Understanding and applying these cells can not only improve health, but also open doors to a more youthful future. The ability to maintain and activate specialized stem cells through scientific methods and modern technology will be key in achieving anti-aging goals, enhancing longevity, and improving the quality of life for individuals. Thank you for listening. If you found this discussion helpful, please like, subscribe to our channel, and leave your comments on this topic. Your engagement helps us share knowledge about anti-aging and health improvement.